Hello friends, now we discuss RS in Fisher projection. So as per our previous discussion, we also say there when three group is present and 1/4 group is downside, so this one when clockwise, this notation we call R, and when anti-clockwise, fourth priority group is downside, this one is S. So today we discuss Fisher projection formula, and this rule is apply only one stereo center, and then when two or more stereo center present, then the fourth group is always we consider on horizontal line. Fourth consider. So in case horizontal line, clockwise rotation, when clockwise, then we consider S, and then here anti-clockwise rotation, then we consider R. So our discussion is continue. So as per our regular information, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Now we discuss one of the important point, RS in Fisher projection. So in case RS Fisher projection formula, so in case single stereo center, we can follow the vertical rule, and when the case is double stereo center, triple, four, two or more stereo center, we can follow the horizontal rule. Horizontal rule is two or more stereo center. Two or more stereo center case, we can follow here this rule. So here as per our priority order, this one is 1 and this one is 2 and this one is 3, this one is 4. So here 1 to 2 to 3 clockwise rotation occur, but hydrogen is upside. So here we can say that, easily say that this configuration is S, and when we consider this one, 1 2 3 4, so 1 to 2 to 3 clockwise rotation, hydrogen is downside, this one is R configuration. So you can simply say the vertical rule, here the fourth group is downside, so clockwise rotation, here the R. And then when we follow two stereo center, at first we follow this center, so OH is 1, so this center is 2 and CH3 is 3 and this 4. 1 to 2 to 3 clockwise rotation, here hydrogen is clockwise rotation, hydrogen is horizontal, then the configuration is S, we can easily say. Then follow always horizontal rule. And then in case our second center, here bromine is 1 and then 1 dashed, and this 2 1 is 2 dashed, this center atom 2 dashed, and then this one is 3 dashed, this one is 4 dashed. So 1 dash, 2 dash, 2 3 dash, the rotation is anti-clockwise. Rotation is anti-clockwise. So this center we can easily say that R. So now we discuss of our different problem in this discussion. Just follow the discussion. Hello friends, now we solve the problem. Here show the structure, each pair are identical, enantiomer or diastereomer. So in that case, at first we show any one structure which can convert 180 degree angle rotation. So just hydrogen up and CH3 is down, and in that case right side COOH is present. So COOH, when you rotate 180 degree angle, then goes left side, and NH2 are right side. So after rotation of 180 degree rotation, then when we follow what is the relationship between the two structure, we get the similar relationship. These are is identical. These are is identical. Why? Because when we just place two structure or also superimpose, just two structure, just place 1 and 2. So this structure is identical relationship. Now here in that case, here two stereo center present. So here what is the relationship? So at first we here RS 1, this center is 2 and this center 3 4. So 1 to 2 to 3 clockwise rotation, and here fourth priority group is horizontal line, then this center is S, and then our 1 2 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, and here 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, this rotation is clockwise, but here the fourth priority group is horizontal line, so this one is S. So here 2S we get SS configuration, but when you follow this configuration 1 2 3 4. So the rotation is, when you consider this carbon atom, 1 to 2 to 3 clockwise, here 4th is vertical line. So according to horizontal rule, when the clockwise rotation occur, then the 4th priority group when present on horizontal line, then this center we call R. But here in that case, in that case here clockwise rotation occur, but here 4th priority group is vertical. So this center is R. And then when we follow, when our downs this carbon atom, and then according to our priority rule, this one is not 1, this one is 1, and 1 dashed, 2 dashed, 3 dashed, and 4 dashed. So here the rotation is clockwise, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, where 4 is a vertical is down. So this center we call R. So one thing is important here, the configuration when we consider this carbon atom, here S, and after when we follow this structure, this one is R, changes S to R, means this one S, this one R, and this one S to R. So we can easily say that the structure is enantiomer relationship, because the changes always enantiomer here, the when the chiral center, when the stereo center is present here, but here the always this notation is changes always, and show here different show here, this one is S to this one is R, and this one is always opposite. So this one is called enantiomer relationship, these two structure. Here the two structure is given here. So the relationship, what is the relationship? Homomer, constitutional, isomer, diastereomer, yeah, enantiomer. So here at first we here search priority order. So in that case this carbon atom, this one is 1, and when you go right side, here no methyl, left side 1 methyl group present. So left center is here, this carbon center 2, this one is 3, and hydrogen we can similarly say that downside 4. So in case 1 to 2 to 3 clockwise, anti-clockwise rotation, hydrogen is downside, this center is S, and so here 1S. And then when we consider this carbon atom, so here when we consider hydrogen is similarly placed downside, so here the as per our priority order, and this one is 1, and then when we go right side, here present COOH, and left side here nothing present of COOH. So this center is 2 dashed, 1 dash, 2 dash, and this one is 3 dash, and hydrogen is 4 dash. So 1 to 2 to 3 rotation is clockwise, hydrogen is downside, so this one is R. So now we get overall conclusion 1S and 2R. And when we follow our right side, in case right side, here the 1 is here when we consider this center. So when we go through downside, here 1 methyl present, but when you go this through this bond, here the methyl group is absent. So this one is 2 priority, and this one 3, and according to similar way hydrogen is 4. So 1 to 2 to 3 clockwise rotation, hydrogen is downside, this center is called R. So here 1R. Then when we consider second carbon center, so here the similarly placed hydrogen is downside, so methyl is 1. When you go upward side, 2 dashed, and here when you go this bond through this bond, 3 dashed and 4 dash, so 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. The rotation is anti-clockwise. So we can similarly say that 2S, this center is S. So now here 1S, 2R, here 1R, 2S. So we can easily say that this two structure is enantiomer relationship. So enantiomer, this two one is enantiomeric relationship. Here 1S, and here when we show this priority order, priority, and then 1R, 1S, 1R, and then 2R changes 2S. So this two one is a enantiomeric relationship. The problem is now 2 stereo center is present on this example. So in case 2 stereo center present, our target at first to assign RS. So at first, as per our priority rule, this one is 1 OH1, and this center is 2. When we and then CH3 is 3, hydrogen is 4. So our, according to consider this center, so we rotate 1 to 2 to 3. So anti-clockwise rotation possible. So as per our rule, when hydrogen is present horizontal, then the clockwise rotation is S and anti-clockwise rotation is R. Then in that case anti-clockwise rotation occur, but here hydrogen is vertical position. So here the rotation is S. And as consider our down center, when we consider our down center, as per our priority rule, 1 and this center is 2 dashed, 1 dashed, and then this one is 3 dashed and this hydrogen is 4. So 1 to 2 to 3. This rotation is anti-clockwise. So this one is S. And sorry, anti-clockwise, and then hydrogen is upside. Anti-clockwise, hydrogen is upside. Then the rotation is R. Then as per our, when we consider our next isomer, here the OH is 1, priority 2, 3, 4. So 1 to 2 to 3, anti-clockwise, hydrogen is up. So this configuration is R. But in that case, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 2 to 3, anti-clockwise, and here hydrogen is upside. So this center is called R center. Anti-clockwise, hydrogen is up, horizontal line. So here one of the important thing is here, we cannot, this 2-1 is not enantiomer, because in case enantiomer, here two configuration is opposite, but here the R configuration, when we changes to, we follow two structure, the two structure, the two here this two center remains same, but in case upward side, here two center are different. So these two are not enantiomer. So what is the relationship between two structure? We can assign now. So now in that case, here these two are not enantiomer. So what is the condition of enantiomer? So in case the condition of enantiomer, here after changes up, when we consider two stereo center, 4 stereo center, here they can always opposite. If they one R and they one S, so then we call the structure is enantiomer. But in that case, two are same RR. So this 2-1 is not enantiomer. So what can I do? Then our discussion is continue. So here then we rotate as per our this position bottom side, we also remains fixed here. So at the case here CH3 OH hydrogen is remains fixed. So now we rotate, simple CH3 is here, hydrogen is here, and OH is here. So what is the new structure? CH3 is upside and hydrogen is here and OH is this, and then we just draw this structure is here. Simply draw OH and to such a similar, then CH3 CH3. So when we show this structure after conversion, here the one plane of symmetry is present. So due to the presence this plane of symmetry, this isomer is called meso isomer, meso. So and this one is diastereomer relationship. Actual answer, diastereomer relationship. So in that case, here when we consider this carbon atom, this one 1, 2, 3, and similarly hydrogen is 4. Then 1 to 2 to 3. Clockwise rotation, hydrogen down, this center is R. And when we consider this, so here when we consider the right side, here 1 dashed and this center is 2 dashed, this center is 3 dashed, and this one is 4. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, rotation is anti-clockwise, S. So here R, at the previous center 1 R, and then this one is S. But when we consider this bromine here, this one is 1, and when we go through this bond here, after one carbon atom here one bromine present, but here nothing bromine. So this center is priority 2 and this one is 3, and then downside is 4. So 1 to 2 to 3 clockwise rotation hydrogen is down, so this one is R, and when you consider from this side, bromine is 1, and here similarly here 2 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, and this one is 3 dash, and then 4 dash. So 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, anti-clockwise rotation, this one is S. So here we get first one R and then S. So 2 are almost same. So this 2 one is meso relationship, meso. Here plane of symmetry present, and this structure is plane of symmetry present. So we can easily say that these two isomer is meso-isomer relationship. In that case, here the two structure is given here. What is the relationship? So here this one is constitutional isomer. Constitutional. Why? Because here the group is hydrogen is 2 are opposite side in the all case. So this 2 one is called trio isomer. Trio. So in case erythro, the 2 hydrogen group when same side, this 2 one is called erythro, but this one is trio. So this 2 one is constitutional relationship. Now one of the important thing is here the 2 structure is given, this one this, where single stereo center is present. So here in that case hydrogen is upside. So here we can easily draw here priority order. So here this 2 one is 1, and then this one is 2, this one 3, this one 4. So 1 to 2 to 3. So here rotation is 1 to 2 to 3 anti-clockwise. Then when the fourth group is vertical, this one is S. But one thing is very important here. In that case, single stereo center, we can follow here vertical rule, not horizontal rule. Here vertical rule is important. In case single stereo center. So here in that case S. So here hydrogen is horizontal. So what can I do? So here double exchange is the method. So after double exchange, here CH3 group is simply placed. So hydrogen is same. We also discussed as our previous lecture. So here CH2 CH3 is simply CH2 CH3 CH2OH. This one is one exchange, and just this here 2 group are exchange their position, and then single exchange on that step, and then when we do second exchange, here CH3 here and CH2 CH3 remains same, and then these 2 one is changes their position. So hydrogen is here and CH2 CH3. Then here after then our priority order, this 2 one just changes CH2OH. So here CH2OH remains same, but these 2 group just changes their position. So this one is 1 according to priority rule, this one 2, this one 3, this one 4. So 1 to 2 to 3 clockwise rotation. So this one is R configuration. Now hydrogen where vertical downside, and this one hydrogen is vertical upside. So here we can easily say that this center is convert S to R, means enantiomeric relation. Enantiomer, these 2 isomer is enantiomer. Here S to convert, when we follow the after double exchange, we can get the R isomer R. So S to R, this 2 one is the 2 stereo center is changes. So here the enantiomer relationship.